Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to tell you all about my favorite backyard helper, the Gorilla Cart. This is more than just a wagon. Not only does it help you haul things around, but it also tips, lifts, and dumps the things for you. When it arrives, the instructions are picture only, but so easy to follow to put it together. And every single step has the nuts, bolts, screws, everything you need prepackaged for that step. So you open up the package for step one and you use all of those. I wish everything would come that way when you have to assemble it. This cart is nice and sturdy to wheel around the yard. I have a bad back, so lifting and carrying bags of soil is not something that I can do. But I'm able to wheel this right up to my vehicle and move the bags into this cart, take them where I need, and dump them without any extra strain on my lower back. This handle is not only comfortable to pull it by, but it also has a no slip grip to it. I love that we got this Gorilla Cart for this summer's yard work because I've got a whole lot planned, and this is going to help me get it done. And that's my point of view.